I just have to change
Oh.
string to integer.
Okay, that is
Processing
conversion.
processing the data.
Processing the data. Actually, we have to wind up the data as per our needs. Okay, so each and every data will be different. Okay, so we have to tune the data according to how we want, right? So for example, my name is Syed Abda here. Okay, so there is a field in web page asking for first name and last name. So at that time I have to split the data as first name and last name, and I have to paste those the same to the web page, right? So here I have to split the data is the tune up. So likewise, we have to perform lot of modification to the data, guys, in order to have the output as expected. Okay, are you able to understand my point? So consider a scenario, guys. The scenario is, let me share my screen. So guys, the scenario is I am getting some data from the Excel file. Okay, so in the Excel file, I am getting a data like this. Okay, Syed Ibrahim. So this is what the data I am getting in my Excel file. Okay, so but in the, what to say, consider a Facebook page. Okay, let me click on logout. Okay, if you see means if I click to create new account means, so what are all the things it is asking here? First name and surname. So here my first name is Syed and my surname is Ibrahim. So here shall I enter as it is that is given in the Excel file, or am I supposed to do any modification here, guys? Come again. Hamad, your voice is very slow. Can you
Yeah,
talk
we will
little
have to
louder?
modify it. I think we have to
Yeah,
separate
we have to modify the data,
data.
right?
Yeah.
So that is the important point. So the thing is, I am going to split up the data. So likewise, we are going to see some string functions. Okay, let me open the notepad file. So consider a scenario. Okay, the first scenario we are going to discuss is replace. So for example, I am having a text like this: hi RPA, hi RPA. Then I am going to replace as hi. I am going to replace RPA as UiPath. Hi UI. So this is the thing I want to replace, guys. Okay. So just search in net how to replace a string in UiPath and let me know the answer, Asaf. How to replace a string in UiPath? Are you searching, guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Replace of
Replace of.
string,
So this is okay. Replace of string.
comma, to string.
Okay. So this is what the syntax is, guys, for replace function. Variable name dot replace of that particular variable name, the word which you are going to modify, the word which you are going to modify, comma, replacement word, replacement. So this is what the syntax is, guys. Can you tell the answer for this particular RPA UiPath? How can I modify this?
Variable
anyone?
name. Variable name
Variable
dot
name.
replace.
Here, what is the variable name?
Hi.
Replace.
So I don't have variable name here. So I
Yeah.
can directly pass it as a string. Hi space RPA. Okay. So this is my string. Then I have to use this replace function. Replace of. So what is the word I am going to change?
RPA.
RPA. Okay. And what is the replacement word?
UiPath.
UiPath. Okay. That's it, guys. So this is how we
Actually,
can
you
replace.
you are not supposed to give in place of variable name as hi RPA, right? We have to have a variable name.
So we are supposed to have a variable name.
Okay.
If I am not creating any variable name, means what I can do is I can simply pass it as a string. Let me
Okay.
show you that, guys. Okay. So let me create a new sequence. String manipulation. String manipulation. Okay. So the first thing is what I can do is let me drag a message box activity, guys. So I'm not going to create any variable. Okay, I'm going to simply pass it as a string. Space RPA. Okay. Dot replace of RPA, comma. Okay, guys. So let me run this file, guys, and see what will be the output. Whether I will get high RPA or high UiPath. So high UiPath is my output. So now what I am going to do is I am going to create a variable. Okay. Control K. So let me create as just var1. Okay. So the statement will be hi Ahmad. This is a RPA training. So guys, here in this case, I want Ahmad to be replaced with Umara and RPA to be replaced with UiPath. How can you do that, guys? Any idea? Here I need two replacement. One is Ahmad with Umara and RPA with UiPath. So here, what is the syntax I am supposed to use? So what is the variable name here?
Variable one.
Variable one, super. Variable one, okay. Then what is the next thing I am supposed to do?
We
How
have
can
to
I
replace
replace this?
Ahmad. Ahmad. So
Okay, Ahmad.
Ahmad here.
Ahmad. Okay. I'm going to replace Ahmad with Umara. Okay.
Yeah.
Umara. Then how can I replace RPA with UiPath? Any idea?
Plus.
Plus, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Plus.
This is it.
Parentheses.
Is this the method?
Double quotes.
Or we have some other method to crack this in a simple way?
Can you just
No
add
idea.
it? Add it.
Just
Just
do
comma and
guys,
open
just
bracket.
search in internet how to do, guys. Whenever you are whenever we are asking some question, just try to Google it, okay, so that you can that particular thing will catch up in your mind. Okay, so just Google how to make multiple replacement in UiPath and let me know the answers. Multiple replacement in UiPath. How to do multiple replacement in UiPath? Got any answers, guys?
Dot replace.
Again,
Yeah.
replace.
Dot replace and send.
Okay. So how many times we want to replace? We have to use that much time replace this. Okay. Now are you clear with this replace concept?
Yeah.
I'm going to replace RPA with UiPath, right?
Mhm.
RPA with okay. So let me run this file, guys. So what will be the expected output?
Hi,
Guys, what
Amara.
will be the expected output?
Hi, Amara. This is UI.
Hi, Mara. This is
Hi,
Mara.
Umara.
This is my.
This is UiPath training.
So this is what the output we want. Okay. So let me run this file, guys. So what is the output I am getting?
Yeah.
Hi Umara, this is RPA training. So what is the output I want?
Same thing.
This is what you want.
No, I want UiPath training, right? This
Oh,
is RPA
yes.
training.
Yeah.
So what is the mistake I did?
Mm.
Can anyone try to point out the mistake I did?
No, you have done small p.
Super. So I done small p. From this case, what is your understanding?
Case
Doesn't
sensitive.
have
Case
sensitive.
sensitive.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So let me run the same file again, guys. Hi Umara, this is a UiPath training. Okay. Are you able to understand the concept of replace, guys?
Yes, yes.
Do you
Yeah.
have any doubts in this?
No.
So are you clear? Shall we move on to the next concept?
Yeah.
So now what I'm going to do is let's see another scenario, guys. So here in this scenario, uh, so I'm going to add some other thing. Dot replace of now what will be my output? Any idea? So this is the
Hi, Umara. This is
okay.
UiPath training.
Done.
Ibrahim. By Ibrahim.
Okay. So that is fine. Is there any word in this statement contains Syed?
No.
No.
No, right? Then what the bot will do? Will it throw any error?
We'll write at the end.
Okay. Right at the end, I'm asking, will it throw any error?
I don't think so.
So we don't get any error and we don't get any replacement, guys. Here.
Okay.
So hi Mara, this is a UiPath training, and the bot will try to find the value as Syed. And if it find the value as Syed means it will convert it into Ibrahim. Else what it will do is it will simply skip that. Okay,
Okay.
guys.
Okay.
So now I have a scenario. The scenario is I don't want to replace anything. Okay. So I want to replace with a empty string. How can I do that? So that is your assessment. Okay. Your assessment is, so I'm having a statement like this. Hi team. You see means here we are having multiple spaces. Two spaces I have given. Hi team. This is RPA. So here, what are the mistakes you are seeing here?
Is
So you
Two
have to
space, double I.
two space and double I. So this is the thing you want to change, guys. So this is your input. So this is your assessment. First assessment on replacement. Okay, replacement. Okay, and I'm having another statement. Statement is, so here what is the mistake you are seeing?
the forward slash and the RPA is lowercase?
Yes. So here in this case, we are supposed to remove this case,
Mhm.
these things. Okay. So okay, guys. So this is the replacement function. Are you clear with with this replacement function, guys? Any doubts you have in this?
No.
Are we good to go to the next part?
Yes.
So the next topic which we are going to discuss is, guys, R P A. So guys, here in this case, so I want this training alone. So how can I do that? So this is my statement. Okay, RPA training is my statement. RPA training is my statement. So from this, I just want only this training. How can I do that? Any idea? So what is the use of substring function? Any idea, guys, you have about substring function? So substring function is used to extract the specified text. Substring. So we are going to discuss about a concept of substring. Is used to extract the specific text. So what do you mean by extracting specific text, guys? So guys, what do you mean by indexing, guys? What do you mean by memory index? So
That
in
is,
array we called via memory index, right? So what do you
yeah,
mean by memory index? And how does it will start?
the address where it is stored.
Okay, the address where it is stored. And how can we call that?
Array.0, array.1.
From 0.
Okay, variable name of 0, variable name of 1. Okay. So if we want everything to be displayed one by one, means what loop we will use for array?
All right.
For each.
Super. For each row we will use. Okay. So here the same case. Okay. So the always here index will start from 0 for a particular string. Okay. So P will be 1, A will be 2, then this space will be 3, and this T will be 4, then this R will be 5, then this A will be 6, then I will be 7, N will be 8, I will be 9, N will be 10, and G will be 11. So this is what the indexing here, guys. Okay, so consider the scenario. I want this training, okay, which means here my index starts from 4. Okay, the index starts from 4. So from 4, how many characters I want? 1, T will be 1, 2,
8.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my index starts from 4. From that 4, I want 8 characters. Okay, guys. So the substring for this particular training will be 4, 8. So let me show you that, guys. Okay. So for example, hi Ahmed, this is RPA training. So in this case, let me consider a simple example like this RPA training. So let me copy this, Control C. Let me paste it over here. RPA training. So this is the statement, guys. Okay. So dot substring. So this is what the syntax is, guys. So for substring, the syntax will be variable name dot substring of starting index. Here, what is the starting index for training?
Number 4.
4.
Okay, starting index, comma, number of characters we want. Let's be 1. So this is what the syntax is, guys. Okay. So here, what is the variable name? I didn't create any variable. I just simply declared it as a string. And what do you mean by the starting index? Here, what is the starting index I want
4.
for this training? 4. Okay, super. 4. Okay. Then what is the next thing that is present in the syntax?
Number of characters we want.
Here, what is the number of characters?
8.
11. 8.
From T also we are supposed to consider. From the starting index, how many characters I want? So here
8.
the starting index is 4. 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, guys. So the number of character which I want is 8 in this scenario. So let me give it as 8, guys. 4, 8. Okay. So let me run this file, guys, and see how the output will be. Training. So what is the code for RPA space train? So I want RPA train. Ahmed, what will be my answer, Ahmed? RPA RPA space TR is the output I want. Okay. So what is the starting index and how many characters I want from the starting index?
The starting index would be 0.
Okay, super.
And characters would be 9. No, 10.
So I just simply
No,
want
no,
RPA
0,
train,
1,
right?
8.
Else what I want is RPA TR is the string I want.
Yeah,
RPA space TR.
6.
6. So RPA will be R will be 1, P will be 2, A will be 3, the space will be 4, and T will be 5, that R will be 6. Super, Aman. Okay, that's really very cool. Okay, so let me give it as 0, 6. 0, 6. And in this scenario, I don't want this space. Okay. So RBA slash TR will be a space TR will be my output, right? So in this case, I don't want the space. So then what I can do?
Replace.
Super. Dot.
Dot replace.
Replace. Replace of. So what is the thing I want to replace?
Space.
Space.
Empty
3
space.
with 0.
Comma.
What the thing I want to replace?
TR.
No. Actually, RPA space TR will be my output. In that output, I don't want the space. I
Okay.
want RPA
TR.
TR. No, guys, are you able to understand my point?
Yeah, you have to
RPA.
give TR.
No, RPA space TR will be my output. Okay. So in that, I want to replace only the space with empty. I don't want space to be replaced with anything.
T.
What
No,
come
you have to
again?
give empty space.
So empty space I given, guys.
Okay.
What is the thing I want to replace?
T.
T. So I don't want anything to be replaced. I want to replace it as string, empty string.
Oh,
Are you able to understand what I did?
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. So let me try to run this file, guys. Okay. So are we able to get the output?
Yes.
Yes.
So your assessment for substring will be. So do you want any other example for substring? Or you are good?
No, it's good.
It's good.
So so I want only train. Then what will be the code, guys?
Train.
Train.
I want train as my output. Okay. Then what will be my code?
Variable name dot substring
Okay.
4,
4,
comma,
Come
5.
on.
5.
Super. Great, guys. Okay. That is really very awesome. Okay. Ahmed, now I am having a question, Ahmed. I want a space tr as my output, Ahmed. So how can I do that, Ahmed?
A space TR. So we will have a start with 2,
Okay.
2 and 4.
Super, Ahmed. Okay. So here, guys, in this case, what I let me open a word file, so it will be very better. Okay. So this is my statement. So in this statement, I want the output as. So I want the output as Ahmed is my first output and RPA. Then RPA. So the output is Ahmed RPA. Ahmed space RPA is the output I want, guys. So Ahmed RPA is my output I want. So this is the output I want, guys. Okay. So you have to prepare it accordingly. Are you able to understand the output? Any doubts you have in this? Hello?
No.
No.
Okay. So this is the assessment for substring, guys. Okay. Please try to complete this. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about a remove function. Okay. So what do you mean by remove? Any idea?
Remove a string.
So I gave some functions here, right? What does this 0,6 will give you? So it will give you training. So let me replace this substring with remove and see what will happen. Yes. Remove.
RPING.
Still remove training, only show RPA.
Let me give it as remove. And see what will be the output, guys.
RPING.
So what do you mean by AINING?
What?
Here it says 6. It should say 5, right?
Just taken from 0 to 6. It has removed.
So it removed
Oh,
the thing from 0 to 6. Okay. So what is 0 here?
0
R.
R.
RPA 0. Okay, from 0 it will start. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
So it will remove till this.
Mhm.
Then it will give the rest of the cases.
Hmm.
Okay. So consider a scenario, guys. In that scenario, so my text will be Syed 1994 is my string. Okay. So in the string, I want only Syed as my output. How can I do that? What is the code I can use here?
So we can remove.
So any idea? Ahmed, I will share you the control, Ahmed. Okay. Try to crack this, Ahmed. Umara and Balaji, please help Ahmed in cracking this particular thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my text will be Syed 1994. This is my text. Okay. I have given the text. Okay. So you have to compose this remove function. Okay. So you have the controls, bro. Try to do that.
Remove.
I think 5, 8.
Okay, just try, guys. Let's see what will be the output.
5,
5.
8. Hmm.
Mm.
4, 7.
5.
Ahmad, I think we should start from
8.
0.
0.
0, right? S for 0,
Yeah, right.
Y for 1, E for 2, D for 3.
Then it
So
would be
one
4.
starts from
4,
4. Yeah, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Yep.
7.
Okay. Try to run this fight, Ahmed.
Run it.
What?
So what is this error?
What is that error?
There's an error on top. Check that. Error पे click करें ना. Click on error.
So any idea of why this error occurred?
What is the error actually? Can you keep the cursor over there?
Yeah, put a cursor on the. Yeah. Faulty.
No, just go to the output, guys. Output panel is there, right? In the bottom left corner.
Yeah.
No, no,
Bottom corner. Just click on it. Okay.
And that's
Count must refer to the location within the string. So just check what is the reason for this error. Count must refer to a location within the string in UiPath. Just search for this error.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, I think. I think 7 is more than. Try
Okay.
6. Replace 7 with 6.
Can we say 6, 7?
So the same thing here. Syed 1994 is there. So 0 will be S, Y will be 2, E will be 3, and D will be 4. Okay. So from 4, how many characters I want to remove? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Then why you are giving it as 7?
0 to
Oh, we
4.
got confused with substring. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
4-4, 4,4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Syed, got answers, right?
Yeah.
I think we both messed up with some.
2, 7. Okay.
Okay. So consider some other statement, guys. Okay. So this is all about remove function, guys. Do you have any doubts in the remove function?
No,
No,
quite
that's
clear.
fine.
Okay. Okay, guys. I think these are the 3 things we will discuss. In our tomorrow session, we are going to discuss in depth in detail about our upcoming things, that is while, do while, and for each loop, guys. Okay.
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 Okay. I will share you the recordings, guys, in few minutes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.